Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install the media into the Napoleon Luminex Electric Fireplace. To access the interior of the fireplace, and remove the packaging and media, the front glass must be removed. To do this, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws along the top edge of the fireplace, underneath the finishing flange. Once these have been removed, the glass can carefully be tilted out and pulled up to be removed. Turn on the fireplace and ensure the Ember bed lights are on. Wash, dry, and empty both colors of glass into the firebox, mixing them together to create a realistic glow across the Ember bed. Ensure no glass media falls within the front glass groove, or the front glass won't be able to be reinstalled correctly. It is recommended to place the glass in a single even layer, covering the Ember bed entirely, so the glow can be seen through the glass. Ensure the mixture of glass on the media tray allows for the lighting to create hot and cold spots throughout the entire fireplace. The logs can be placed in any location in the firebox, as desired by the customer. However, a diagram is provided in the product manual to outline the recommended placement of the logs. Once the logs are in the desired position, place the charcoal pieces and mineral rocks around the logs. The final result should be a realistic fire bed, with the media filling the firebox. With all the media installed, double check that no glass media has fallen into the front glass groove, and replace the front glass, resecuring it to the appliance using a screwdriver. This finalizes the installation of the Luminex Media Kit. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.